shadows are not just absence of light, they are a doorway to understanding the physics of the universe. Welcome to Mindblast Science, where science meets curiosity. Today we are going to be exploring a very wonderful phenomenon that's often overlooked but yet all around us. Shadow. A shadow is an area where an object blocks light, but there's more to shadows than just an object blocking light. You see shadows every day. It's not a strange something, but the main question is, why is it that at some point in the day you find an object having multiple shadows, or sometimes shadows are blurred and some are thick? So there are actually two types of shadows, that is umbra and penumbra shadow. For the umbra shadow, it's a dark shadow formed when an object completely blocks light, while penumbra shadow is light shadow formed when an object partially blocks light. So now the next question is, why objects have multiple shadows at some point in the day? The main reason why objects have multiple shadows is due to different light sources. Like when you're walking on the streets at night and you see street lights, some of the street light blocks light from the others. That's why it possesses multiple shadows. See this simple experiment I'm going to carry out now. As you can see, this is a cup and this is a light bulb here. When I put this cup here, the main source of light is from this direction, and as the light hits the cup, it blocks light, and this is the shadow behind. But when you bring in another light source, it forms another shadow there, right there. This is another light source, so it will form another shadow there. That's why sometimes you see objects having multiple shadows. That is due to multiple sources of light coming from different directions. So if you are new on this channel and you have come this far in the video, you definitely need to subscribe, because we are going to be doing more of DIY experiments and explaining mind-blowing science concepts like this. So do well to subscribe.